Hey guys, my name is David with Riverside Hyundai. Today I'll be showing you your seat settings in your brand new 2026 Palisade Calligraphy. To access your seat settings, you scroll to the left, select your seats tab, and here you're able to turn on your heated seat warmers to your rear passengers. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This whole car you're able to heat up any seat. So if your passengers are cold, you could manually turn on their seat warmers from the front, and you do it by this screen here. As far as ventilation, you have ventilated seats in the front and middle passenger seats. So you're able to turn them on manually as well. So if your passengers are feeling super hot, because it is summer right now, so if it's super hot, you turn on their cooled seats by here. Now if you want to move the seats forward and back to your middle row, you are able to do that here by just tapping here. You can have it move forward, back, either one of your seats. You want to recline, you can do that here as well by just tapping the arrows. Relax mode, you could turn on relax mode, which will set the seat. Pretty much it'll set it to a point where you're able to almost lay in a recline, kind of like you're on a hammock pretty much. And this is the walk-in mode. So the walk-in mode means if your passenger seat is a little too much to the front or a little too much to the back, and they need assistance moving the seat, this is where you would be able to do it. So you would just move it back. I kind of stopped it there, I didn't want to go all the way forward, but you're able to do that just exactly here on either middle row seats only. And now these right here is if you want to completely lay all your seats completely flat. For example, you're able to adjust the very third row to have them completely flat, or you want to bring them up. I went ahead and stopped it, but if you want to do them all at the same time, this is a tab where you're able to fold them up or down, or you want to do one at a time. This is to do them both at the same time, one at a time. And these are your seat settings. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Follow for more.